How to fix Instagram comments not showing in less than 1 minute. So hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the comments problem on Instagram app. If you have any problem with the comments, this video is going to help you a lot. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to apps and then go to Instagram. Right here you will find all the app informations. All what you have to do here is very simple. Click on this option right here and then go down to notifications management. Scroll until you find the comments notifications. Click here on the comments and then go to the allow notifications. Disable it and enable it again like this, and then make sure that the display in status bar is enabled. Now go back, click here on force stop again, click on the storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe if this video was helpful. Thank you so much.